On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. That of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
What's up? Good morning, Otter gang. I'm hiding. The ring light's too bright today. Get some capsicums in the chat. What's up, everybody? Is there a award for the best tune? AlexOCrypto. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're still sick. I got my son sick. I feel like an absolute douche canoe. I'm the douche canoe today. Me. So my son is coughing. Evil AlexOCrypto. I could put it on for you guys. You want me to put it on? Pretend everything's okay? Spaced is second day not being a lurker. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. We got some capsicums in the chat. Oh man, Darth Alex with the OG. I mean, I still get up, 6:30. I look like I just rolled out of bed. I've been up for over an hour and a half, so just the sickness is getting to me. The sickness. Trying to behave. It's hard to behave in this area when we have Dave Digital putting farts in the chat. I guess we can do a fart spam. Maybe we do a fart spam that will get everybody loosened up and ready to trade. Maybe we do that. Oh, good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Donato Cabrera, Bass Crouton, Chantel, Clay the Great, Dusty Hunt, IKO, Jay Violet, good morning. Mama Bull, good morning to you. Good to see you. Thank you for the well wishes. I don't know, the cough is kind of breaking up. It's just, when you get up, it's always like takes you a bit to get going. Paul Caruso, William Barr, love the gang. Thank you for being here, man. Splashy guitars. Splashy. Forget about it. Let's get after it. Relentlessly. Papa like it's. Good morning. Alexandra G. Let's go. Drive safe. Thank you for being here. Quazim, Crypto Caveman, Steven, Sainsbury, Dan Bartley, Rashad. Good morning, man. Thank you for being here. Good morning, James. Andy Lee, how you doing? Good to see you. Curtis Neal, I saw that. You guys see what Curtis Neal did to me this morning? Did you guys see this? This guy's an animal. Curtis Neal. I said, here comes the open mouth thumbnails. Look what he did. he totally did it. Here comes the open mouth thumbnails. They're not wide enough, I said. Curtis Neal. I love you, bro. That's too good, man. That was a good laugh this morning. Shout out to Curtis Neal for the open mouth thumbnail, man. Good to see you, Dusty Hunt. Tony Soprano, my man. Hopefully you're healing up well. Me, Tony, Sniper's Nightmare. We're all injured, sick, whatever. We're trying to heal. Just cover it. Capsicum. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Shematrice, good morning. Good to see you. Roaming Brave. I'm messing up your name still, but I'm going to continue to try and say it wrong until you teach me how to say it. Paul, we have another Paul Caruso. His name is Paul Polotsanen. Polotsanen. Good morning, Paul Polotsanen. Daryl, good morning to you from New Zealand, our fellow Kiwi. JRMO and Toe. Good morning, Thrang. Clay the Great Storm. Good morning. Good to see you. Spaced, not a lurker anymore. Capsicums are in the chat. Curtis Neal in the chat. Buck, good morning, man. Good to see you. The Root, hi. How's it going, man? F-Bomb. Good morning, everybody. Wolf and Bear. Good morning. Morning, man. Did you hear that Alka-Seltzer flu? I have not tried the Alka-Seltzer. Buckley's, Halls, and rest, sleep. Feeling okay. So obviously we had a pump yesterday. My God. Can't keep up with this. You guys are just farting now. Okay, maybe. Good morning. Mabe. Curtis Neal. Boa, good morning. Good to see you. Darren does things. My man. How's it going, bro? Good to see you. Good to see you. Ernie, good morning. Good to see you. Rashad as well. Joyful Journey. What's up, my dude? Good to see you, bro. Thank you for being here. Joshua Lee. Buenos dias, amica mia. Good to see you. Lucky DL Catrix. Good morning, gang. Angelo. Kicking Wig. Good morning. Melissa. So good to see you. The OG Melissa in the house. I'm not feeling that good. Yeah. I would say I'm like, yesterday I was like 30%. Today I'm like 45. I'm almost halfway there. Well, I think after today might go work out and try to sweat it out today. I might do a little bit of extra. Finding entries was hardest for me, but I've been learning. Okay. Paper Planes, good morning. Cubes, good morning. Fomo Sapien, good to see you, man. How you been? CJ Nis, good morning. Jay Violet, Miles Trump Power in the chat. My man, learning quick, putting the work in the Discord. Miles Trump Power, man. Shout out to you, bro. Thank you for being part of the gang. V Monitor, love you, bro. MBF Forum, good to see you. Buck, Joshua Lee, good to see you as well. All right, let's jump into it. There's Melissa. Love Melissa. Melissa's been here since, the channel has, really taken off in the last, I would say, 4 or 5 months. And I feel truly blessed. But, I was under 1,000 subscribers for this channel's 3 years old, over 3 years old. And we show up every day, rain or shine. And people have been here for so long. Melissa, Sniper, Tony Soprano, and a lot of the new faces in here too have stuck with me, and it's so cool to see the progression of the community just really come out. Jeanette as well, and so many good people. So I commend you and I thank you for staying here and continue to kick ass and take names. The content has gone all over the place, and I've kind of found what works. I just share what I actually do instead of doing top-down analysis. But as soon as I mentioned yesterday that we're looking for a video editor, I got about 50 messages about everybody being a video editor. So I don't know about that. We'll see. Everybody's all of a sudden. I'm not used to that, man. I don't know. Like, I'm not used to that. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. All right. So let's look at this. Bear with me a bit today, please. Nice push. Okay. Ascending triangle. Nice push coming up into here. We were looking at this level in our Discord. If you're part of our Discord, you would have had this beautiful pink box right at the high here. Okay. And it hit it. Okay. It hit it and quit it. So a beautiful little sweep of this liquidity in here. Also the golden pocket of this. Okay. So you had your golden pocket in here as well. So a beautiful little move yesterday. Breakout, retest, continuation. Can we get that today? We'll have to wait and see. We are retesting currently of this kind of triangular breakout here, okay? We can all see that. I would like to see a little bit, if we do dip down, a bounce off of here would be critical for a continuation, in my opinion. So looking for this thing. If it loses where it's trading right now, we're coming back down to, I'd say about 83,000, 82.5, okay? Got a couple of nice areas of confluence in here. And then obviously the liquidity in the highs all the way up. We're prepared for that as well. For today, we'll have to see how the market reacts. I expect a positive reaction after yesterday with a little bit of quantitative easing about to begin. Okay, that's the sign Jerome Powell gave yesterday on the FOMC. So you got your breakout, your retest, your continuation. Yesterday, breakout, retest, continuation into our golden pocket pink level that we were anticipating a reaction from. A lot of people shorted this last night. This was way past my bedtime, especially being sick. Okay, and down we have come to actually breakout, retest. Okay, so we'll see if this wants to continue. However, we do have on a higher term time frame a much bigger trend line that is in our way. For now, okay, you can see this. This is where we want to get going. Okay, but a nice move nonetheless. Okay, let's not put on our hopium slippers, but let's be a little bit excited. I would love to see a higher low. Okay, so no matter what happens here, I want to see a higher low. That would be bullish in my opinion. If we get that, that would be great. This down here is still on the table. Okay, let's not be too crazy bullish. Let's just be level-headed. Okay. I'm going to now be treating this like a range. So what we have here is that we were range bound basically in here. Okay, we were range bound in here. That's why we were crushing the trades, because we knew where we were overbought and oversold. I would look for this range to start to develop now if we hold the lows within here, okay, depending on price action. But we have like a little volume node in here, and obviously the thick one right here. So I'd expect something within here and take a crack at this downwards trend line and try to break out. But you know us, we'll treat it as it comes and be prepared. Thank you everybody for being here, hanging out, throwing otters in the chat and farts and all that stuff. You guys are a little bit gassy this morning, but I wouldn't have it any other way. We got a little double bottom forming right now in here on our 24-minute, as you can see, boop, boop, right here. We'll see if this wants to pop us back up. Papa Otter, okay? We'll see what goes on. I'm sorry about the coughing, but I'm sick. We'll be all right. So we'll see what happens here. Really, we're in a little mini downtrend here. It's rolled over, absolutely wrecking late longs, which is to be expected. There's still, in my opinion, liquidity in the lows here. So depending on how low can we go, right, is going to be totally up into this right here. So we'll see, right? We have all this to recover, especially this area in here. It's kind of interesting. We have golden pocket up here, point of control right here. Okay, so lots of things pointing to this area in here. Can we break it down now? But we have that breakout, retest, continuation trade that's still on the table. So a couple of options. Just want to participate safely, okay? That's kind of where my head is at. I just don't want to get overextended in my thought pattern here, it's always can be detrimental to our trading day. As I start talking, it just starts running. I'm sorry. It's gross. You guys can come back tomorrow. We're still going to make money today, though. We're still going to make money, of course. Trobius, good morning. Good to see you, man. Fumigating peaches. I think there's a lot of peach fans in here. Air mattress days. That's the one. That's the one. Miles Trump Power, good to see you. Good to see you, Crypto Princess. Guys, go check out Crypto Princess. Does some great interviews. Curtis Neal, good morning. Darren, my man. My man. Good to see you, Darren. Melissa, amazing community. You've got a great community. Yeah, it's their fault. It's their fault. They can send you their portfolio. Huh? Gold tailwinds, yeah. There's a bunch of tailwinds. I think there's a Solana. There's a meeting right today with Trump. Trump's going to some digital asset thing, and I think Solana's about to get a futures trading platform. So that's good because it always goes futures and spot ETF, right? So futures has to come first. Then they have a spot ETF, which is bullish, obviously, for Solana, which is another tailwind. So there's a bunch of tailwinds, but obviously Jerome's number one word yesterday in his speech was uncertainty. He was just like, I don't know what's gonna happen with these tariffs, right? So I think April 2nd is gonna be a very interesting day with tariffs and what happens there. So Canada's supposed to be calling election on Sunday. Thank God. We'll see what happens there. I might be coming to join the Americans, or I might just go to England. I don't know. Nobody wants us anymore. Good to see you, Rashad. I try to stay out of the politics, but it's hard these days. It's hard. I'm not a video editor. Here since the mattress. Mad love, Darren. Gotta get a mattress emoji. Zena, good morning. I love the pink hand. Buck, Emmanuel Bondi, good morning. Gang. Good to see you, man. Dusty Hunt. I bought BitX call yesterday. Get well soon. Fast recovery, Papa. Thank you, IKO. Good to have you in the Discord too. George Vol. Patience is the hardest. That's why I come here. Trading is waiting, baby. I'll show you how to wait. Even though I wait sometimes, I miss trades, but the thing with waiting and even missing trades, like this looks like a short to me right now, right? This looks like a short to me. Doesn't mean I'm going to get short. Even though I miss trades, the trades that I do take, because I've waited for them, I'm more confident in the setup. Therefore, I hold my trades longer. I practice good risk management. I know where I'm wrong, right? So jumping in here, right? I look at this. I can see a rising wedge. I can see a rollover, a retest of previous highs. So this could be bullish or bearish, right? I see losing momentum. I see an easy breakout, retest, continuation trade. So I could justify getting long here. I got a little trigger wave down below, okay? I could justify getting long here. Take it back up to this order block in here and to VWAP. Happy days, right? Could work, right? Could work. Probably going to work right now just because I'm saying it. Is it something I trade? Not really. I would trade an SFP here. I would trade a golden pocket retrace with a higher low, right? And it's going to be all depending on what you do as a trader and what you're comfortable with and how you're going to manage your risk, right? But waiting gives you the option. Look at it go now. This is funny. Gives you the option to take trades that are within your means, within your setup, with where you're wrong, right? And how you want to trade them. Right? It's going to allow you to have more level-headed thinking when you come to the charts. And that's always critical, right? We're going to watch this play out. Okay, everybody? What is this? Is this a 0.5% move? Yeah, not bad. Make $400 here if we took it. Time to become a delegator. Always, I can edit videos, but I don't want to. Yeah, I hear you on that one, Jay Violet. I've looked at Orpus clip. Maybe I just do it my damn self. I don't know. Look at all these legends in the chat. I can't even scroll down without seeing all these happy people, man. V Monitor. Love seeing V Monitor in here. V Monitor is one of our people, man. Always with the kind comments, V Monitor, and always really demonstrating good kindness. I love your kindness, man. I appreciate having you in our community, man. Orange Man's supposed to pump Biddy. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. That'd be cool. I'm down for some pumpage, so we'll see. IKO, Melissa. Good to see you. Joshua Lee, V Monitor. Crypto, Billy, Mad Guy. Oh, God bless you. CB in the house, man. Love you, Billy. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Damn, we should have taken that long, everybody. Damn, we should have taken that long. Break it down now. Deborah, good morning. Good to see you. Lasers, good morning. Joshua Lee, George, yo, hi. What's going on? Skyra Zones. Good morning. Lorelai, good to see you. Thank you for asking how I was this morning. I love when people are like, how are you doing? Not just good morning. But good morning is good enough. I only require a good morning. Cryptonic, good morning to you. Let's go. Tradefly, my dude. Good morning, Tradefly. We need to get a Tradefly emoji in here now. You guys are just emojis everywhere. Is that my number one word is otter? Just saying. Oh, that's too good. Billy, is otter your safe word? Is that your safe word, Ben? Oh, I had to go there. Buck, good morning. It's too early for that, right, Billy? I'm too sick. It's all the Buckleys getting to my head, man. Melissa, good morning. Crypto Princess. Dragonfly, good to see you as well. AlexOCrypto, good morning. Good to see you. R-Pink. Would you really want to live in the UK right now? No, not really. I lived in the UK for 2 years, R-Pink. I lived in the West Midlands for a year and Scotland for a year as well. So it was different. It's the culture that, besides having no sunshine, it's a very big drinking culture. And me and my wife, we don't drink or do any, pub crawl, and she's British, so AlexOCrypto, Trey Roberts, good morning. Joshua, Sparky Loft, good morning. Attila, good morning to you. Wick 589, movie theater popcorn is flavored with a product called Flavico. I bought a cartoon of the stuff for $10 and 82.7 servings. For $10, 827 servings. It's all true. That's what I needed for Tasty Pops. Wick 589. God bless you, man. Thank you for being here. Army Piper in the chat. R.S. Miller. Anybody take this long? I mean, this is a lot of waiting right now, but I'm going to get bear divs in here. Tradefly, Army Piper, R.S. Miller. Piper's got his emoji now. He's happy. Billy, F-bomb. Good morning, everybody. Bass Crouton. Every time you're in here, man, you always get muted. I unmuted your name yesterday out of our unmuted section on my YouTube studio, and here we go again. That's warning, I guess, number 2 now. Are we going to do a 3-strike program here? AD, good morning. Good to see you. Yesterday I jumped into too much trades. $4 down now on my real money account, but learned a lot. You're going to get the most information from your losses. That is very true. That is always true. Losses are not, it's like tuition. You're paying to learn. You want to minimize that, obviously. But you're going to get the most data-rich information on the way you lose and how you lose and why you lost, right? You're supposed to lose in trading, by the way. I don't know if anyone's ever told you that, but this isn't always about winning. This is about managing risk, because every time you take a trade, you're putting on risk. So therefore, if you manage your risk over a period of time, you can be successful, okay? Did you get sick on your birthday? I did. Yeah, I'm not too impressed with whatever God's plan is for my birthday. That was maybe I needed to realize. I think because of how much, I don't stop. Ask Army Piper, ask Tradefly. I'm teaching in four Discords, doing the live streams, doing the Discord, doing the trade setups, doing. Anytime I say I'm tired, Tony Soprano says I should take another teaching gig, which is always fun. So maybe it's God's way of telling me to slow the F down. I'm just hungry, man. I want to help people change their lives. But God will remind you that you're only a mere mortal sometimes, man. That is facts. That is facts. Oh, good night, Jesse Jacks. Thank you for being here. Good morning, Fuji Lasers. Good morning, Richard Price. Good morning to you, Crypto Princess J Violet. Mad Love Bros. Thanks for your kind words, Alex. Thank you for being here, V Monitor. Raj Tradefly. The otter has made it into my top emoji suggestions now. Let's go. Oh, the infiltration is real. At least it's not rats, right? Crypto Rob, John Foster, Crypto Wagwan, Alex. Wagwan, my man. Oh, well, it's Jesse A. Matheson. Oh, of course. Haven't had any cell service or internet for 3 days, and the first thing I'm watching is Alex O. God bless, bro. Jason Casper, my man. I messaged you on Twitter, man. I was like, I didn't realize you were down. I messaged you on Twitter. I was like, bro, I've been sick. I haven't been able to come and drop in on your stream. I hope you're doing well. God bless. Have a good week. So your internet's been down for 3 days. That's damn. So do you have? Well, I know you live in that cool ranch life. Do you have did the woke Tesla people see your non-binary satellite super dish and come and spray paint it or something or vandalize it? You never know with those Tesla people, man. If you had your Starlink out in the woods and you're just seeing these neon dressed colored people trying to come and ruin your Starlink. That's the only. I heard has it been really windy down in the States? You guys get some pretty crazy weather. In Canada it's pretty nice now. We're 14 degrees and sunbathing. So thank you so much, Jason Casper, for coming through. And blessing the stream, man. God bless you, bro. Hopefully you have better luck with your internet. I guess you were just making too much money calling bottoms and stuff, man. You had to go over to the Dunkin' Donuts and steal some internet and teach them how to trade. Thank you for being here, bro. God bless you. Thank you for blessing the stream. I took the long. Okay. You see, with something like this, it's targets, bearish divergence in here, like we said. Okay, so we watch for that bear div to be formed, right? What gives us the bear div, everybody? We knew there was a bear div coming right here, right? What gives us the bear div is slow and fast, right? You have slow price action here, then you have fast price action here. So this is going to create a larger momentum wave in comparison to this one here. And if you put in a higher high, which you did, you're going to put in a divergence. Very simple, okay? Very simple. Think slow and fast, slow and fast. It doesn't matter which way. It can be fast and then slow, right? That's going to give you a little one and a big one, okay? But think slow and fast. Price action will tell you, okay? Little trick. You don't necessarily need an oscillator. You should be able to see it yourself before it even happens, okay? You know that if you've pushed up quickly and you mitigate the high here, you're going to divert. And that's a pretty good short. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Infinite Team, good morning. Crypto Billy, good to see you. Dragonfly Jason, blessing the stream. God bless you, man. I'm glad hopefully your internet's back now and firing on all cylinders. Look forward to hear some beautiful freestyles and some pump songs, man. I was going to get a plunger, but I think like in comparison, I'm more like a bowl cleaner. So maybe I get a bowl cleaner. You can have the plunger. You're the main, you are the main man. And I can be the bowl cleaner. I don't mind being the bowl cleaner. I clean up the mess, man. Crypto Billy is Alex's favorite otter. Don't ask why, just accept it. These commands, man. Is that going to make this say that every time? All right, now that we have an established high, we can pull a fib. We'll see what goes on here. It's trying to hold these highs in here, right? So it's going to be a good one today. I can tell. Givers gain. Let's go, baby. Billy Goat Tails in the chat. You guys are already all subscribed to Jason Casper, right? And Army Piper. Beautiful as chickens in all of crypto. 150K, man. That's beautiful, man. I love seeing you win. It was all because Jason, it was all because we sent people over to your channel that you got 150K. Yeah, right, man. You've been showing up for how long? 7 years. See? 7 years. 4 years ago, more consistent, but 7 years, man. JC. God bless you, man. 7 years. That's incredible. We all subscribed, right? We all subbed to Jason, right? You're going to learn how to trade divergences, also known as uneven butt cheeks, man. That's going to be... Now it's time to take the short. No. We're stalling out here. So, like, if you think about it, if we're going to isolate price, right? Okay? We want to treat it as a range. That's why we were able to crush this zone in here, because buy low, sell high. Very simple, right? So as we've pushed out here, we have a high established and a low established, right? This is our breakout retest. So this would be our low right now, and this is our high. So really, we want to be buying down here and selling up here if we get the opportunity. Or we are in a mini downtrend, considering we've broken structure to the downside here. So we should be favoring shorts unless we have a nice bottoming structure within this area, giving us, maybe a mitigation of the low and a bounce up, a higher low continuation, push out, okay? So we're really waiting for confirmation in here to justify a long, okay? Otherwise, we should be favoring shorts, okay? Should. And that's typically how I'll do it. So where we are right now, if we zoom in, right? Here's our high. So we'll call it premium discount, right? So you have premium discount, right? So we should be looking for that short from a possible entry in here to go lower, okay? Because we are in a little bit of a downtrend here. Let me extend this down a bit. 786, golden pocket, possible short entry. Or this support zone, this breakout retest area, holds and we get to go to Valhalla like everybody wants, okay? I don't think they're going to give us what everybody wants. I think right now it's going to be a little bit of a wake-up call. They need to be prepared for that as well. Look back. Good morning. Unholy. Good morning. Uneven butt cheeks. Yeah, it's when you get the uneven butt cheeks like this and give you divergences. Very lucrative trade. Jason Casper will show you how to trade those. He'll show you how to trade the chicken drinking water, which is right here. You see the chicken. The chicken's drinking water. It's typically off a nice 786 bounce. Okay? He's an absolute knife-catching machine. I don't know how he does it so consistently. I think he's withholding all his information. That's why you should go and join Jason Casper's Discord as well, okay? Oh, man. Darren does things, mad love. J Violet. Jobs numbers are in. Nothing burger. Home sales today as well, right? Home sales at 10 a.m. Always know what's on your calendar. Okay, we got home sales. I don't know how big home sales will be impacting the market here, but we just got some initial jobless claims coming in a little bit lower than expected, but pretty close, pretty break even in here. That's why you're going to learn from Army Piper about what's going on in this stuff, because I'm just aware of it. I don't study it like he does. He knows his stuff, man. It's not taking Alex. Oh. Streamlabs is jelly. Good morning, Hugo. It's good to see you. So still waiting here. A little bit of patience. Audio is okay. Audio is good. Okay. Don't scare me like that, Trade Fly. Oh, don't do that one. I'm sick. Big fan of Alex. Thanks for all the knowledge. MexC, God bless you, man. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Wixwife 599. Wifey, good to see you as well. 386 people in here. Thank you for being here, supporting. Jobs numbers are a scam. Okay. Easy on the home sales, Alex. So let's go, Billy. Let's go, man. Spyros, good morning. Today we have Trump's speech, yeah. They're listening, Tradefly. They're all listening. Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, Hugos. Good morning, Spyros. Thank you for being here, everybody. So we're just refreshing the room. Right now we're in a little bit of a downtrend, looking to come to mitigate this low. We have our beautiful golden pocket right within here. If we go impulse up, we can go in here. We also have a point of control. So 83,500-ish. This area in here is very interesting to me. We have liquidity all the way up. Remember we said unsustainable price action yesterday, even though we just continued to rip to the upside. So I wouldn't be surprised if we came and got them before trying to push. Buy the rumor, sell the news possibly for today. So we'll see if we're coming into that. So we have some key levels. However, if we zoom out, we can see that we do have, a breakout of such in here off of this resistance of 85,000. So can we hold? That would be a good hold. Obviously, it acted as major resistance for quite some time. So that would be a possible bounce opportunity if we're going to have one. But I'm not putting too much weight on that. Just aware of where we are on the map, right? That's what we have to do every day. Where are we? How can we navigate this and make some money, right? So looking for an SFP in here. Can we bounce back up? Come to the top of the range, which is 86,000. Okay, breaking out, trying to get going. However, down seems more likely to me. I do not really like this price action on the way up here. Okay, this to me, great bottoming structure in here. Okay, we were prepared in our Discord, but obviously up only creates down only. Okay, so be aware of that. We haven't named this yet. This is not a V-shaped recovery. We called it, I don't know, A framing. Okay, a bunch of you guys are being rude. I don't know what is the inverse of a V-shaped recovery. You guys let me know. I don't like saying inverted V-shaped recovery. It's a mouthful. We need something to describe this pattern. Maybe we call it an A-frame. Maybe we call it I don't know. You guys let me know. But it's not a V-shaped recovery. It's a V-shaped inverted discovery. You guys let me know. But I wouldn't be surprised if we come for the liquidity in these lows here. This will be a key bounce level here. We do have our golden pocket of this range now that we are looking for that bounce. So a bunch of things pointing the right direction. The higher term time frame is looking a little bit better. We're starting to creep up here, which is good. Okay, the daily money flow starting to creep back up. We have a bounce in trying to push. However, a little bit overextended. I wouldn't be surprised if we get knocked down to get back up again. You're never going to keep me down, but we'll be well aware of that. The 3 days looking good. The weekly is looking a lot better. Okay, a lot better with this trigger wave trying to push us back in. I would expect a little bit of a delay. I'm still in the camp that we're looking for a sweep of the lows. Whether we put in a lower low or a higher low is kind of what I haven't decided yet. I don't know if we're going to do this or if we're going to do this. That's kind of where I'm at. But that's the kind of team I'm on. I would prefer a higher low to come in, but I'm still very well aware that we could sweep these lows and then send price up to come grab some liquidity and challenge the previous support. Come up in here and try and challenge that. That would be my hope. But we can't trade based on hope. We just got to be next step, one thing at a time, okay? 8-hour money flow, something I always watch, and you can see this has turned green, which is great news, okay? 8-hour money flow has really been consistent on this bull run. You can see here, if you're just watching money flow, it's really ebbed and flowed quite nicely on our uptrends and downtrends. So to see this come back in is quite good. I wouldn't be surprised if we do put in another, a higher low, but this is looking decent as well, okay? Going into our 4-hour, our 4, our 3, or 2. The 4-hour looks bearish, okay? Let's be real. 4-hour looks like it's coming back out and rolling over. The 3-hour, a little bit of the same, okay? But then it does switch a little bit on the 2-hour here where we're getting to a point where we're flattening out and we're looking for a pushback, okay? Especially when VWAPs cook to the downside. This can obviously bounce and we can roll up. Okay, so be well aware of that. And then the hourly trigger wave. Okay, so that's the hopium here, is that we can get a pushback off of these lows. We'll have to wait and see. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 385 people in here and 99 likes, but a ish ain't one. We sick and we here. All right. Reset the nose. Reset the room. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up that like, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. If you are new here and you do want to join an amazing Discord, we have a free section, which I would encourage you to join anyways. With a bunch of amazing traders. Incredible traders. Very active chat too. Very fun. Even have a little Aussie oxen free in the Discord. I don't know what's going on here. You guys are wild. JR's posting twice now. I don't even want to open this. I'm afraid. Kyle crushing the trades. trade setups, trade signals, Ondo trade. Look at the Ondo trade, banging both ways. Kyle went both ways on Ondo, which is kind of cool. So he's target hit, amazing trade from Kyle. Brewberry crushing the long yesterday, incredible. CVO giving you guys a whole bunch of setups as well, incredible as well. Super trades. Don't want to give you all the secrets. HRJ giving you guys trade setups. Even Tradeflies in here giving you guys trade ideas and trade setups as well. Okay, so an amazing Discord. We'd love for you to join. Watch the video if you're going to join. We'd love to have you over here. And if not, just come over and hang out in the free section. We would love to help you on your trading journey either way. Okay, so come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to see you there. If not, stay here. We are going to start moving some of the... So I haven't made a full decision yet, but we're going to take our trading session into the Discord after. Okay? So we're going to trade, I think, 10. We'll trade 10 a.m. till 1:45, 10 a.m. to 10:30 in the Discord after the live stream. So we're going to do that as well. And then we're going to come on here and show you guys all the gains and extra trades we made and give you guys FOMO. Because that's what people do. Right? Which hat, TP? Party hat? Which hat are we talking about? I got a cowboy hat. I always got the cowboy hat ready. All right. Can I get your expert opinion on plume chart? I'm sorry, I'm not an expert at all. I just press buy and sell successfully. Plume chart. Come into the Discord and request a plume chart in the Otter Talk section, and I will look at plume chart for you later on, but not while we're trying to trade, my friend. I come for the chat. I missed Wick's poem. Where's Wick's poem? I love Wick's poem. He comes for the home improvement education. I mean, I'm 13 years as a journeyman carpenter. Well, I did my apprenticeship the first 3 years, but yeah, I do have some good... I have home improvement advice, okay? I can definitely give you that. You can build a house start to finish, so. Here we come. Coming into our zone here, looking for a reaction on price action. Golden pocket, 786 level as we're rolling over. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here, supporting the channel. Incredible. Motu, good morning. Good to see you. Alive. Chumbawamba, good morning. A vaulted correction. The A train. A vaulted correction. Could be done. A-frame houses. You guys are all into A-frames, eh? You guys are gross. An avalanche. If it's bearish, then why are we taking a long scalp instead of short? Because we have a key level of support down here. We have a breakout, retest, continuation. The trend on a higher term time frame is up right now. So we have an uptrend here. Okay? We have a mini downtrend here. Okay? So this is corrective right here, corrective. So we could be looking for this most likely. But right now this is corrective. Depending on where we correct to, we're at a key level. So we look for this to possibly bounce from here and continue the uptrend. Short term, we're in a downtrend, right? So if this, then that. Then we go out on like a 12-hour, right? We can see that we are clearly in a downtrend. And then we go out on a weekly, and we can see we're clearly in an uptrend. Okay, so time specific, we always want to be identifying where we're at. 4-hour, we're in an uptrend. But it could be corrective to the 12-hour, okay? So this is why understanding where you're at, right? Downtrend, relief, could be continuation of the downtrend. We have not taken a high in here, so therefore we're not changing character on a higher term time frame. Okay. Short term, we are in, as a scalper, we are in a mini downtrend, which is corrective to the big uptrend. Okay. Gets confusing, doesn't it? So we are looking for the continuation of the 1 hour, 4 hour trend, but we understand that our 15-minute is down right now. Okay. So we can look for that potential ABC correction and continuation. If this, then that trading, always. I don't know what I just did there. Okay. Then that's why, right? I can look, if we're in a downtrend right here, as a scalper, right? Because I know what I'm looking for. I can look for this move in this downtrend. I can look for this move in this downtrend as well, which is part of the game, right? So if this, then that, right? Always prepared either way. We got to go both ways, baby. So hopefully that makes sense to you, so you can understand why I'm looking for a long down here. Okay. Forgot all about Fatboy Slim. Oh no. You could call it the Pharaoh. Steep roof it is. Topping. I'm here for Wick's poetry too. Which hat? The TP? Party hat. I like party hat. Only 100 likes. What is this? Uncle Jesse, man. You got to open up some more alt accounts and start hitting the like button. The baby's sick, Billy. I'm sorry. The baby's sick. I feel horrible. This morning, the baby woke up with a cough. 7 months. 7 months tomorrow. And his dad got him sick. I feel like an absolute douche canoe. I felt horrible this morning. I stayed, like, I honestly isolated myself. I should have gone into the shed, to be honest. Happen to know the best trading platform for Florida? Seems to, like, all the best are illegal here. For Florida. We have a lot of people here from the States. Guys from the States, what's the best trading platform for the States? What have you found? Are you talking non-KYC? I would suggest non-KYC. I would suggest BloFin or Bitunix. We have links. You don't have to use them. They're down below. For a KYC, you'd have to ask our friends in the States. Are you using a VPN is also a good question. Lunar Beaches Crypto. Good to see you, LBC, my man. I'm too fat to swing a hammer anymore, but I can spot scab work from outer space. Yeah. That's the thing. I go into people's houses and, like, being in the trades for so long, you can't help it. You see it all. You see it all. You see the miter joints. You see the way the doors swung. You see the gap in the door. You're like, you see, it's almost a curse. I agree, Billy. It's such a curse. It's like, yeah, the flooring gaps. You see the way they started the floor. You know how they started the floor. They're like, why is the floor not running down the hallway? Why is it cross the hallway? Like, there's so much. It's just a curse. It is absolutely a curse. What is this memory thing? This thing keeps happening to me. Am I, like, losing my memory? That keeps happening. I have to reset everything again. Do I have to, like, clear my cache? See, this is a problem being a carpenter too. All you guys are going to say, close your Pornhub tabs. I know. It's okay. Get it out. Get it out, guys. Get it out. Randy Hipper. God bless you. Uncle Billy is here. Yes, he is. Guys, go follow Randy Hipper, Crypto Princess. Randy, how's it going? We at 20K yet? We're going to get you there. 19.4. We're almost there. Randy Hipper. Go and subscribe to Randy Hipper. 19.4. Shadow banned for giving too much alpha. God bless you, Randy. Take some garlic cloves with honey so you don't waste it, so you don't taste it. Quickest recovery. Yeah. Mrs. Otter isn't sick yet, but like, I mean, soul target price. Well, for like top of the bull run, I'd say 550. 550 sandbagged. Maybe 480 sandbagged. Soul's got a lot of work to do. MexC, BloFin. Yeah, see? You got lots of people helping you in the chat here. I suggest, if you haven't been on an exchange and you're struggling to find one, pick one of the ones. Billy's not going to lead you. BloFin's not going to mislead you, okay? The people in here aren't douche canoes. Let's put it that way, okay? Randy's so good. So good. I have to get more coffee, and I don't want to get more coffee because I feel like we're going to get a sweep in here, and I'm going to miss it. And I'm going to be upset. Miles, good morning. Gypsum Greep. I can see the uneven texture. It bugs me. Yeah. I get it. I think we're going to come to Florida, yeah. That's plan B. If Canada becomes the 51st state, I would like to have a Florida home. Like I love the mountains, so I'd have a home in the mountains in Canada, and then I'd have one thing at a time. Home in the mountains and a home in Florida for the winter. That's just an idea. I'm installing houses in the class right now, and the inspector is making the stair guy redo the stairs. 3/4? Did he not drop it? 7 1/4 rise? What happened there, man? He didn't drop for the steps or 3/4 off? I'm installing closets, yeah. How are the walls? It's always fun installing closets when the walls are at a square. Stairs are they prefab? Anyways. Fettuccine is pound fettuccine. It's fettuccine. No, I don't know how to say it right. Subscribe choice just in case. Thank you for being here, Yalvster. This is a very slow, painful drop right now. No trade so far. Not as vibrant as I wanted it to be. However, I'm going to get more coffee.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is
I missed
a
it
pants full
so
of
much.
fat.
That was quick. Come on, tell me that was quick. Song still playing?
Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRP On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Game Face Brothers. I think you asked in Ask Alex Anything section. Here's a Fibonacci video, man. Right there. How I use pulling fibs. There's a couple of videos on the YouTube channel. I look really happy in this one. I look really happy. But yeah, there's a video for you, man. I think I see you in the chat. Don't forget to verify. Go over here and verify on the welcome section. Verification. Click the button. All the happy thing, please. Thank you for being here, though. Hopefully that helps you. I don't even want to know what JR posted. South Carolina, my brother, has a home down the road from me. R.S. Miller. My man. My man. Let's see some R.S. Millers in the chat for everybody. God bless you, R.S. Miller. Coming through with the 50 gifted memberships. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Smashing up that like button, subscribing if you're new. And let's see if we got any lurkers today. Richard Berry, lurker. I'm kidding. Richard Berry is a friend of the channel. God bless you, bro. Gutco, lurker. No, I've seen you before. Corey De Silva, I've seen you before. Welcome, welcome. Ruvelto, lurker. Major Short Squeeze, lurker. Wah, wah, hua. Shen Cow, hua, lurker. Nu, Pununi, Noini. No, you got Noini. Lurker. Noini. Balik Avifoka. Lurker. Inner peace. I can't call you a lurker, but lurker. Oh, man. Byron Miller. I think you've said good morning. You need to say it a couple more times before you're not a lurker. Lurker. Lenny Kidd, lurker. Jizz. Is this pronounced jizz or is it G's? Jizz or G's? You guys let me know in the chat if this is jizz. I think you're a lurker. Sin, lurker. Richard Price, lurker. Holden Astra, lurker. Observer, lurker. Eric the Red, lurker. Lazarus, I've seen you before. Congratulations. Ashley W, lurker. Waffle Cones, lurker. Aaron Enabes, lurker. Username, Detroit Red Wings fan, lurker. I love you, bro. Congrats, man. Congrats. Did you see the Leafs beat the Avs last night, bro? That's pretty big. That's pretty big. They outshot us 40-20, but we won, okay? HB. Got to put that HB sauce on everything, okay? Dragos Zaharia. It's a cool name, but you're still a lurker. Mickey, congratulations. I've seen you before. Okay, Nick Ellegrand, I've seen you before. And Cyrus Grayson, lurker. Dan Bulmer. Dan, have you said good morning before? I don't think so. Lurker, Gastel, lurker. JJ Biggs. I'd remember that name. You're a lurker. Manisha, lurker. Rodney Cowden, not a lurker. Congratulations, my bro. Paul Collette, lurker. Soviet AI, lurker. And Chili Hills Burgess, lurker. Congratulations to the lurkers. Jason E, lurker. Marcus, lurker. I haven't seen enough good mornings out of you to not call you a lurker. Holy smokes. Mark Dutch is in the chat, and he's lurking. Haven't seen Mark Dutch in ages. I messaged him yesterday to see how he is doing. Let's see some cogs in the chat for Mr. Mark Dutchery. Rolling over here, Bitcoin trying to come down into our zone. It's trying. No trade yet. Is anybody in the short from up top? Let me know. A little bit of slow, methodical price action coming into market open, 904. Okay, we got the NAS. I do not know what's going on with the NAS right here. Why is this screen like that? Really? What? We go US 100 here. NAS rolling over after the push up yesterday, coming into this resistance that we had marked out for quite some time, trying to get above here. Not looking so good. The Dixie, I swore yesterday, okay? We're almost at 100 to give away 100 USDT. The Dixie pumping, which is bearish for risk on assets. We have the S&P doing a double top here, getting a little bit overextended. Probably going to, we'll see how it gaps today. It's going to be an interesting one. We can close that tab there. We can prepare here. And we can call out some more lurkers. Fredo, lurker. Ronier, lurker. James, lurker. Yov, lurker. Caveman, I've seen you before. Sam Zerker, I think I've seen you before as well. And Stephen K, I think I've seen you before. Aris Miller, thank you so much, man, for the gifted memberships. God bless you, bro. Is it pronounced Jizz? I want to know what the answer is. I think it is pronounced Jizz. Good morning. Shout out to you, my friend. Thank you for being here. Good morning, Melissa. The Dusty Hunt, Jason Casper. How is the beet farm doing? The Chinese dude is a market maker. Okay. Byron Miller, welcome. Now you guys can all throw otters in the chat, right? That's the key, is that we were built on spamming otters. Ask Otter Gang Vacation House. Billy can finance? Okay. Okay. Let's go halfsies, Billy. Let's go halfsies. I'd get into business with Billy because I trust Billy. He's got good character. Okay? As me and my wife said, it's all about character. Good morning, man. Trading Cove, good to see you. How you been? I've seen you before. John, please, legend. Aris Miller, always blessing the chat, man. Thank you so much. He's the only dog in our group photo. You can see him down in the right here. You see, I'm in his way. There he is, right in here. With our only chicken, Crypto Pollo. Okay. I like French toasters the most. I think French toaster right here. He's got like a toaster backpack. That's cool, man. I like that. We got the only grayed out man up top here, watching over everyone. Crypto Billy. We got our Wix over here. Love you, Wix. 589, baby. We love you over here. We got V Monitor over here. We got Jeffrey Stone Cipher. Look at Jeffrey's abs, man. You could grate cheese on those abs. We got Lunar Beaches, Tony Soprano, Piper, and Tradefly. Okay, we got Melissa right here, Beardy Farmer. We got CVO, Jonathan Schaefer, Kyle, Nick Musgrave, Brewberry, Glam Banjo. Oh, we got a whole bunch of crazy, degenerate, handsome devils. We got Jay Violet over here. He all cute. And Jesse over here. How many times did I have to crop these things? And oh man, you guys are beautiful. You guys are beautiful. You're right, I am sick. Sick nasty. I press buy and sell successfully. Come on, Bitcoin, roll over here. Come to Papa O. Give us a trade. We got 9, 10, okay, until 20 minutes till market opens. SPY. Yeah. SPY, we gapping down somewhere in here. See if we bounce. The Dixie. All right. Patience. Patience will prevail. Anybody in a trade right now? Anybody like long from the bottom or short from the top? We'd love to know. Let me know. Let me know where you're into the trades. We'd love to celebrate you. I love seeing you guys win. You can share your P&L cards here, even though you're using extra leverage. Mark Dutch is lurking. Thank you, R.S. Miller. Absolutely. F1 is in the background. Yeah, I see you. Top left, man. You're top left. Membership comes with free likes for the live stream. Punch it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Cam S, good morning. Good to see you. No trade yet. Still waiting here. Slam banjo is my favorite, but I'm a banjo player. Love it. Love it. Jay Violet says I'm cute. Aw. I love creatine creamer. What is this? Are you getting those swollen gains there, Dave? What a nice gang. Yeah. I feel a bit better today. I feel like I'm cusping the sickness. Blow your nose like a carpenter would. I just be like, okay, this one time, we call it an Italian shotgun, okay, on construction sites. You blow the snot rocket, right, out of your nose. We call it an Italian shotgun or snot rocket, right? All the sawdust, whatever. So I'm working on on this fascia on the outside of the house, on a scaffold, and there's a guy working below me, and it's like minus 15 out, and I do a big old, and honestly, I'm working with a coworker, and you seen it. You know those things that fall out of the tree like helicopters. so it's helicoptering down the scaffold, and doesn't my foreman walk out, and then it goes thunk, and it hits his hard hat. Okay, he doesn't notice. It hits his hard hat, and it's minus 15 out. So we'll continue working. We didn't say anything. We didn't want to get in trouble. So we continue working. We go in for lunch, and he has his hard hat in his hands, and he's looking at it, and he's like, it's frozen. So he has like the frozen booger on the side of his hard hat. I'm like, bro, and he goes and he's like, did a bird poo on my head, right? So he's got his utility knife and he's scraping it off. I'm like, bro, I had to tell him. I'm like, bro, that's my boogers. I don't mind. I'll go and clean it. So I went and cleaned it, but so funny, man. This guy's got my boogers and he's scraping it off. It was like, you know, when things happen and it's like slow motion, you see it. It's too good, man. Too good. Otter Tua. Yeah, Hak Tua. I'm just grateful he wasn't like using his fingers to scrape it off or something, but it was pretty good. It was pretty good. I'm sure as of now, going off the liquidity to grab some downside. Nice. Smashed 100x leverage yesterday after my liquidation in the morning. Rode Soul to the top, jumping back in at 129.7. My swing bag, not my long bag. Nice, Richard. Good job, bro. Good job, man. Found your video yesterday. Now stuck in MexC. Risk controlled, control trigger without doing anything wrong. Just a new user. They said they want 30 days. Do you think after 30 days they release the assets? I've had very bad experience with MexC, so I can't tell you much with what they'll do on the customer service side. So, Mohammed, I hope you get your money back, man. Got to put it in a ticket. Big long losing. Okay. Short on Solana. Nice. No position yet. No, we're no trade yet. Just waiting right now. Demo trades on Zebro. Nice. Demo trading is great, man. Yeah, getting reps in is so important. What's in the Beaver story? About to add to your long. Nice, Joshua Lee. If we can hold this level down below here, we do have a nice little 3-minute camel toe pattern here, trying to shoot us up. What's it look like on the 5? We typically trade the 5-minute camel toe. That's see up here. That's the good one. I'm not opposed to the 3-minute. I'm just have to wait. We have to wait. There's no sense in taking a trade here, in my opinion. Lower lows, okay. Sweep of the lows. Got double BitBoy green dots or whatever they're called. Down at the bottom here, a little bit of patience. Okay. Lurker from the Otter, from the Alexander G gang. Let's go. Gains for life. Let's go, Gains for life. Good morning. God bless. Brian Sanchez. Good to see you. It has been a while, man. Good to see you, man. How you been? Busy. Busy's good. We're blessed to be busy. You hawked the MTV logo on him. Yeah, it's true, man. It was quite a hawk tua off the scaffold, man. Epic booger story. Yeah. It's the only one I got. It's the only one I don't have any. It's not a good story, eh? I love the dad jokes in here. You guys are great. Any you age, never grow up, man. Never grow up. You gotta have fun. Market manipulation. Yeah, well, yes and no. Market manipulation is pretty ruthless sometimes. That's why we use stops. What is a lurker? A lurker. A lurker is someone who's just hiding in the corner, not saying good morning. The only requirement in this stream is I ask you to say good morning. That's it. We have our chat over here. We just want you guys to say good morning, man. It's not a. You guys can talk as much smack as you want. You can say I'm a total degen, but I just would like for you to say good morning. That's all. What's your thoughts about breakout prop? Great. No complaints. I think FD White, you can go check out his channel. He's doing a breakout prop challenge right now. CryptoFace. I have not gone through breakout prop yet. So like from what I've heard, it's a great way to get some capital, follow some rules, right? So I've heard nothing but good things about breakout prop. I haven't given it a run yet because I'm just incredibly busy, but I plan on doing it in the future. I've seen people get their payouts. I've never seen any issues with that. Okay. I think it's fairly priced, and it's a good way to, if you have good rules-based trading and you have good risk management, not over leveraged degens, okay, then I think it's a great tool to help you create. What you want to do with a prop, obviously, is you want to accumulate enough money to start trading on an exchange, right? So you could take your $50 on your prop, make some money, take that money, pay yourself, and then use that money to build a trading account, right? Which is actually a really good, as long as you're disciplined, because they have rules. Like anything else, it has rules. Right? You can't just try to hit home runs all day. But I think Flop and Groper, FG Nick, he just hit a 20K payout, right? So it's very possible. Good morning, my dear friendly otters. Good to see you, Nigel. Joshua Mallory. Double bottom in here, trying to push up into market open. It's 920. Not a heck of a lot of price action here. We can see volume's pretty dismal. We did have a little sweep in here, pushing us down. And bought back up. Trying to hold down in here. We'll see what goes on for the rest of the day. Below VWAP. VWAP acting as a downtrend right now. So can we come up and visit it? Obviously looking for the short up in here as well. Right? So we have a couple of options this morning. Just trying to be patient within the price action. Sometimes we're in a trade right at 8 a.m. I mean, depends on what's going on, right? I think there's some anticipation for what Orange Man's going to say today. And we had a nice push yesterday with a lot of liquidity below us. So for me, it's going to be about protecting myself to the downside right now because of all the liquidity below us. Okay, so ideally, we would love to bounce, breakout, retest. We love to bounce out of here and continue. But ideally, we come into here. And then we try to push back out. If this, then that, right? If this happens, then that, right? And we try to participate in the market as safely as possible using good risk management and trying to hold our winning trades longer. I think that's one thing I'm still trying to figure out, which is fine. You know, I teach it and then I implement it, but sometimes I just get trigger happy and I take my money and run, which can be detrimental to the trading account because you're not taking your full R multiples. So instead of hitting a 2-to-1, you're hitting a 1-to-1, right? So your losses hurt your P&L over time a little bit more. But at the end of the day, being a profitable trader, I'm not going to complain about not paying myself. I'm just going to try and get better, right? That's what we're here to do, is to continue to improve. I mean, I know right now the environment of the market is very round trip, right? Like, so if you're trying to hold trades long and you're not paying yourself, you're going to end up with nothing and then taking losses. So I'd rather be taking nice wins over time, right? Like my last, I don't know, whatever trades I share you from my, I've been doing really well. I've been doing really well, right? So my last trades in here, we're all steezy deezies, right? So yesterday I had a $300 day, right? 270, 80, 290, 186, 475. So been doing really well, right? I've been following my rules, good risk management. Anytime you see like a I don't know, like an $80 trade, a $70 trade, that's basically a break even, okay? Right? But been hitting some good ones, the $500, $290, right? So some really nice trades as well. So just trying to stay level headed here and be patient. Try to teach people how to fish, right? And that's what we're doing, right? And hopefully we can all pull in a plethora of scrummy, beautiful salmon or something. I don't know, right? Orange Man would set 0 to 1% taxes on crypto. I'm moving to Florida, baby. Profitable over P&L. Yeah, right? That's the one. What is the buy zone for Solana? So Solana's basically in a range right now and it needs to get out of it, right? So if we're looking at anything, I don't typically look at altcoins. Oh, we're coming into our zone. Hold up. We got to wait. Wait on your Solana. Good roll over here. Money's coming back into the market. I do like this. Golden Pocket tap right now first and foremost. We got 7 minutes till market opens as well, friends. So let's be crisp with our risk management as well, because you know that first 15 minutes of market open is absolutely insane a lot of the time. So we want to be if we're taking trades in this time zone, but for the first 15 minutes of market open, we want to be using good rules, confirmation bias, okay? All those things. I'm just going to add to our 618 being hit right now. Golden pocket 6.5. Okay, still going down. No bounce. Patience. 3 drives down on market cipher. Money flow coming back in. Going to the 1 minute. Volume coming in here. Trying to sweep. Trying to sweep here. Good pushback. Still waiting. It's a good candle. No trade. Still waiting. Still waiting. Nice bounce. Retest to the lows. Damn, we would have had to be quite aggressive in there. Retest to the lows here. That would be your TP1 if you're scalping this. Continuation here. No trade. Still waiting. Retest to the lows. Rejection. Still waiting. Could see a punch through here into the 786. Still an option after a rejection of the previous lows here. Either it comes back and it pushes through, or we roll over and we punch through 786 here. Let's go 3 minute here. Got 8 seconds for a 3 minute candle here. Okay. Still pretty nasty. This is continuation in my opinion. Continuation down. No trade. Still waiting. Three minutes till bell. Okay, thank you. I have BTC short open since yesterday in a loss. Should I close or hold patiently? We do have nice bullish momentum, man. So where are you in from? Where are you in from? Maybe, like I said, we could see us coming down to. This isn't helping me trade. Ugh. I'm dying, baby. I'm dying for the Otter Gang, though. Ugh. It's flagging out. This wants to push lower. Take care, C90. It tapped in Bybit. Oh, thank you guys. Snotter gang. Let's go. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Snotter gang. Gang. Let's go. Snotter gang. There's a doozy there, Richard Berry. Richard Berry does comedy as well. He does actually. I've watched a couple of Richard Berry's stand-ups, bro. You're stand up, you got to be brave, man. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Snotter gang. Love it. Thank you, everybody, for the bless yous. Sarang, what % of capital do you play for a trade? Markets open. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, gapping down as expected. Rolling over. Dixie's pumping. NASDAQ's dumping as well. Talk to me, Alex. Why did what? Why did the golden pocket not look good for a short? This golden pocket or up top in here? Are you pulling your fib from here to here? I just didn't want to take it. Trying to bounce here. Go a 3 minute. We had the SFP bearish divergence. You are right, Dave. I'm not gonna deny that would have been a nice short. Shout out to you, Dave, and the Snotter gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here. we got 515 people in here. Live trading every single Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Thank you guys for coming through, subscribing, joining the channel. Market is open. Ring a ding dingy. Showing up even when I'm sick, Siggy. Beautiful push here. All right. Late longs getting wrecked. Late longs trying to push. Bouncing on SPY. Good candle here. Gonna break the high here. That would be good. Look for continuation. Anybody get long out of the golden pocket? Let me know. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long from here. Okay, we got some longs. No trade. Did you tell us when you got in, Alex? I'm not in right now, but I will say when I'm getting in. It's never financial advice, but I'll tell you what I'm doing, always. Long and strong and getting the friction on, says Richard Berry. All my bulls in. No trade for me. I'm in Storm's camp right now. We got a whole bunch of people getting long in here. I can see it. You got three drives in here. You got golden pocket bounce, continuation up. I can see it. It was there. No trade for me. Waiting for 91. Okay. Nice high here being put in. Got continuation. I don't feel like when I'm sick, I don't feel as trigger happy, which is a good thing. Maybe I'm a bit slow. Maybe it's the brain waves. I see this coming up into this area in here. That's ideal. Higher high. That's a good move. So far, so good. Now it's trying to push here. Look for a retest continuation here. It's a really nasty candle here. Trying to push here. Nice push. The first, it's these 15 minutes, man. 15 minutes. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Patience, patience, patience. Welcome to everyone who is new, who's coming through. French toaster, my man. Good to see you, French toaster. I love the smell of profits in the morning. Let's go, Paul Caruso. TP 85.7. Let's go. Looking up there, Mama Bull. I like that. Good target. Order block. VWAP. Golden pocket. Good target to have, Mama Bull. Love it. Mama Bull crushing it. Discord member. She knows. She learning. She learning. I love to see it, and I love seeing you win. Daniel V. Lurker here for the music. Glad you're feeling better. Thank you for being here, Lurker. Daniel. Good morning, Rashad. Joshua Lee. Sammy the Bull. Long or short. Good morning, brother. Good to see you, chicken. How you doing, bro? Good job with the discipline. Thank you, Byron. Obviously, we would have liked to take this trade, but Mama Bull's taking all the profits this morning. She be crushing it. Good job, everybody. Yeah, so if you're long from here, Mama Bull, right? Let's say you're long from here, wherever you're long from. Initial take profit is going to be here, here, and here if you're scalping. If you're swing trading, you may want to lock in something here and wait for a higher low, and then you can put your stop loss to here. Okay? If this, then that. Okay? Depending on your style, right? For me, I'd be 75% out already. I'd be paid. Okay? It's always going to be different for everybody. But always go target base, market structure base, where your key levels, what you're looking for. Got a higher high now, so we're looking for a higher low continuation. Standard deviation. One holding support right now. Still waiting. We have our orb low down in here. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Sorry, I'm sick. If you are new here, we'd love for you to subscribe to the channel and join us in the Discord. We have an amazing Discord. Thank you, sir. I can't close, too greedy. It's a muscle, right? It's a muscle. You got to practice taking profits. You got to practice entering. It's just like anything. Bring me a higher low. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Price prediction video on Piper Academy today. They're not going to be happy. Uh-oh. So we got breakout retest continuation here. Mama Bull's hitting targets. Let's go. Mitigating the high right now. This is a good move. Liquidity tap. Double top. A little bit of patience here. Mitigation of the high. Giving us this. So for confirmation traders, we got a roll over here. We got a high put in. We got a low put in. Now, if we get a high put in, what are we looking for? We're looking for something like this, right? For continuation. Trigger wave forming here. $24 looks good. Pushing up. 1 hour. 1 hour trigger waves, nice as well. Okay. $12-minute has room as well, so this looks good so far. Help you with your confidence. Hopefully we can help you, even if I'm not in the trade, hopefully I can help you with your levels and what you're looking for out of the trade, right? I'm sick, so I can't justify over trading. We talk about rules. My number one rule is how do I feel, right? So if I'm not feeling it, I don't take it, right? It's not easy to be disciplined, right? But you're rewarded for it, so you have to do it. Sometimes I'm more satisfied while waiting than to take the trade, yeah. It's good to be able to watch this and not feel FOMO too, right? Like, we could have entered here. That was a possibility, but this is buying a top. We don't want to buy tops, right? Right now we should be looking for the short, if anything. A little bit overextended here, really. Coming into our sell wall. Mama Bulls be taking profits. Nice push into here. Nice trade, everybody. Getting along at the Golden Pocket. Congratulations. Good job. Love seeing you guys win, obviously. You guys are crushing it. Wasn't for me. Little rejection out of our box here. We'll see how it reacts. Golden pocket, order block. Nice rejection here. There's our first 15 minutes, friends. So you have your orb for the day. 30 seconds. Depending on where this closes. $540 people in here. Thank you. Thank you. We're here live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Trading every single day. We show our trades. We show our P&L. We tell you when we enter. It's never financial advice. We're a bunch of Snotter gang members here. We have an amazing Discord. If you do want to join that, please join the free section. Come over and hang out. Bunch of beautiful degenerate otters. We love them. We also have a paid section with 5 traders helping you guys be profitable, navigate the charts with TA, signals, setups, live streams, teaching sessions. Okay? Come over and hang out there. We'd love to have you if you do want to join our Discord. Nice push here. There's our 15-minute candle. So we'll mark out our 15-minute candle, everybody, for your 15-minute orb every day. I suggest you learn how to use an orb. It will help you. Looking for a slap in the VWAP for a rejection right now. Possible short opportunity coming. Don't want to fade Mama Bull, but looking here for a slap. NASDAQ pushing. Good push on NAS. Got a lot of room to the upside, actually. Big rollover. SPY pushing as well. Some confluence there. Nice trade, everybody. Golden pocket all the way to your order block in here. GP to GP, man. GG's. GG's to you guys. Good job. Good job, gang. Please don't spam, my friend. I'll give you 10 minutes to think about it. Trump speaking soon, is he? What time does Trump speak? Anybody know? Good morning, Chili. Thank you for saying good morning. Even though you were a lurker this morning, now you're saying good morning. Thank you for being here. No slap in the VWAP yet. $10.40. Huh. That's a weird time, isn't it? That's scammy in itself. That's scammy in itself, man. Front running VWAP here for a slap. No slap. Still waiting. So we're looking for established highs in order to take a long, like a short from here. To the bottom of the orb. We'll see, but if we break out of orb and we can continue up, so patience. We wait again. Christiana, thank you for being here. How do you know there's an order block here? There you go. So it's this candle right here. You see the soft order block in here? Pushing up here, coming up to VWAP for a slap. Order block there, you see? It's this candle here. Okay. Trying to push here, flagging out. Looking for continuation here. Nice long, everybody who got long. Good job. Getting a bit overextended here on our 3 minute. Our 12 minutes pushing through. 3 minute might come back down for some liquid ditty on the downside here. Still waiting. Touching some EMAs. Cool. Pump and dump, yeah. That's what I'm thinking. No trade yet. I'd like to see a slap. We do have this high in here that I'm interested in too. This could be a good morning fake out though, really. Retest of highs. Retest of highs continuation. You retest highs, then you can bounce, sweep, then drop. Okay. Or we just roll over here. We come for the order block here, and then we bounce and continue upwards. Couple options here. No trade yet. Holding the high. Trying to hold the high. It's a little battle here. Rolling over. Little battle. Well, you got to pay yourself when you get to key levels, right? On 1 minute, slapped VWAP. Not for me. That would be when I say slap. So when I'm talking about slap, I want to see it. I want to see it push past and come back. That would be a slap. Like this is a whiff. You whiffed. You know when you. I want to see push through and then recover. Right. Same with on the opposite direction. If we push through and then we slap. Right. I like this order block for a long continuation. Nice 3 minute candle in here. A 3 minute order block here, you see? Okay. acceptance back into the orb. Typically, we can chop in the orb, so sell here, buy here, right? Until we have a decision made inside the orb, whether to push out or in. So if we get this or if we get this, but we assume that we're going to get this, okay? 9:54. Thank you, everybody, for being here, trading with me. It's a beautiful day. Hanging out. Apologies ahead of time for being sick and coughing in your ears and whatever. Here every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. trading, Bitcoin, scalping, hanging out, talking a lot of smack, hanging out with you marsupials, you beautiful otters. Coming to the order block now, rolling over. Looking for a slap down at the bottom of the order block here. I'm going to take a stab here. Not going to give me a fill? Don't you dare. Running away from me already. Going to get long here. Cheap trade. I'm long, by the way. Trying to push back into these highs here. We'll see if we get follow through. Pump, dump, continuation. Nice push back here. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. I'd like to see it push back up into VWAP. No siree, eh? Doesn't want to go. It's got to go, man. Pretty aggressive here. Volatility picking up nice. Maybe a bit forced. I like the higher high here. Continuation. I like that we didn't fully slap VWAP. Look to take it back up to the top of the orb minimum. But we'll see if we do get the follow through here. Continuation up. Push Bitcoin. Come on. It's got to go. It's got to go. This is where it's got to go, right here. Otherwise, we're getting out. Come on, Bitcoin, push, baby. Push, man. Let's go. Don't be an namby-pamby. $85.6. 85.6. Can we push? 85.6. Push, push, push. Come on. Come on, baby. A little bit more, no? Come on. It's not the slap I want to see, man. It's a little bit slow here. A little bit more. Oh, that's nasty. Keep going. Don't be a dick for a tick. I'm going to take that off. Nice win. GG's. Nice trade, everybody. 185 bucks. Great trade, everybody. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Otter gang, gang, gang. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. Great trade. Look, I hit the orb. It's going to the moon now. I'm happy with that. You got the doji at the bottom. You got the bullish engulfing. You got the push up continuation. Man, we would have been up $600-700 here. Great trade, everybody. Look at this thing going to the moon. I'm out. I'm happy. You happy? Are you guys happy or what? Let's go, baby. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You guys are in the money. Oh, man. I guess this is why we have 570 people in the live stream. Hidden trades all day. Hidden trades all day. Great work. Great work, everybody. Oh, man. Too easy. That was too easy. I like the push through, too, man. That was sexy. That was sexy. I'm sick, man. I'm so sick right now. I'm just happy to give you guys a trade. I'm just happy to give you guys a trade. That's all. Jeez. Well, we teach that too, right? The order block retrace continuation trade, right? If you want to get on trend, you wait for the retrace. You didn't see the full slap at VWAP. Now you're seeing a slap at VWAP, but you didn't see the full slap, so this becomes a target. This comes back down. You check yourself here. You go to the moon here. That's it. They're not going to let these guys get away with murder. And now we go to the moon. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have closed it. I probably shouldn't have closed it, but I'm sick as hell, so I'm happy, man. I'm a happy, happy little otter. Okay, I'm a happy otter. Coming to mitigate that high right now, pushing onwards and upwards. Beautiful trade, everybody. Great job. Great job. Well, congratulations to those who took the trade with me. Patience prevails. An amazing trade. Bitcoin to the moon, baby. Come on, Donald. Pump our bags. Hopefully you guys are all making money today. Hopefully I've helped you learn something. And look forward to seeing you guys in the Discord and hanging out. I'm going to send you over somewhere. I don't know. I'll send you somewhere. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Thank you guys so much. And I will see you guys later. All right. Take care. Much love. Bye.
On the come up better sit low. The product base but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay